What am I gonna get myself in front of?
Right guys, remember, no one goes to 4-4, 8-2.
It's a stupid idea.
Have you guys got a technique for today?
No, they're full hard. Other than that, nah.
Getting else going to be the same?
No. No. A little bit. Not gonna lie on that one.
Yeah, what are you going to do with the cheese if you win?
I don't know, I don't even like cheese. I don't know, give it to someone, I don't know, my mum.
I'm gonna choose a line, maybe get out wide, start.
My theory is I've got long legs, so I'm just going to try and stride as long as I possibly can and take my stay on my feet.
Look at the blood on this bloke, check it out, eat me out. Good on her. Oh my god, look at this blood.